Okids Toon! In a dense jungle lived a very big and powerful elephant named Jumbo. He was very proud of his huge body.
I am the biggest. I am the strongest. No one can defeat me.
One day, while walking on the path, Jumbo saw a small line of ants.
You all are so tiny. If I accidentally step on you, nothing will be left of you.
We may be small, but we work together.
Jumbo made even more fun of them and threw dirt to scare them. All the animals watched silently.
Where there is pride, destruction surely follows.
That night, Jumbo fell into a deep sleep. Then Mighty called all her ants together.
Now let us teach him the true meaning of working together.
All the ants slowly went inside Jumbo's ear and started biting him.
Ah! Help! Please forgive me. I was wrong.
In pain, Jumbo ran here and there, hit trees, and rolled on the ground.
Please come out. I will never make fun of anyone again.
We may be small, but never make the mistake of underestimating us.
The ants came out. Jumbo lowered his head in shame.
Being big is not about strength. Being big is about respecting everyone.
Yes, every living being deserves respect.
Even if you are small, teamwork and smart thinking can defeat the big and strong. If you like this story, don't forget to subscribe to Okids Toon. See you in the next fun story. Bye-bye!